Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back again to my channel. So I got a Carplay adapter in the mail today, and it's from OTTOCAST. I will be unboxing this device and give a review so you guys will know its features and capabilities. This is the OTTOCAST Picasso 2. So if you guys have wired Apple CarPlay, this will convert it into a wireless connection and will upgrade your in-car infotainment system to experience the full functionalities of Android OS. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so we will be installing this device into my Nissan Pathfinder. Okay, so while opening the box, I'll just gonna give you a quick run through of the specification of this device. The Picasso 2 is running Android 10 with octa-core processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 665. It has 4GB RAM and a 64GB of storage and expandable up to 128GB via microSD card. This device supports 4G LTE nano SIM card, which you can use for data or internet connection. It also supports Wi-Fi. You can also use your phone as a personal hotspot so you can connect to the internet. It has Bluetooth, compatible with iPhone and Android smartphone, supports hands-free calling and audio streaming. What I like the most is that this device has built-in GPS. You don't need to have external GPS in order to use Google Maps, Waze, or other navigation apps. What's in the box? So we have Android AI box, which is the OTTOCAST Picasso 2. We got user manual with English and Chinese translation. We got instruction on how to install. We got one USB cable Type-C to C, one USB cable Type-C to A, and one bypass power cable. We also have one SIM ejector pin. This is the Carplay Adapter or the AI box. It has very nice design, not a typical AI box. At the back we got USB Type-C port. On the side we got mini HDMI out. We can use this for audio video output up to 1080p resolution. Beside is the nano SIM card and microSD card tray. I have here is my 5G data nano SIM card. It's for my internet connection. So to insert the SIM card, we have to use the SIM ejector pin. Okay, so now let's pull this out. So here we can put our SIM card and our microSD card. But I don't have a microSD card, so I'm just gonna put this SIM card right here. Now let's just put it back. Okay, so once we're done with that, we can now connect the USB cable. Okay, so as you can see here, I'll be using a USB Type-C to C. Let's just insert this one to USB Type-C port at the back of the Picasso 2. And the other end will be in my car's USB Type-C port. Okay, so the device lights up right away. That's the brand name OTTOCAST. Okay, so the device is now starting up. Let's just wait for a few seconds right here. Okay, so it's now loading up. It's actually not bad and it's pretty fast for first time connection. Okay, so this is the user interface of the Picasso 2. It has very nice layout. We got a pre-installed YouTube app, multiplay for CarPlay and Android Auto, and system settings. We also have navigation widget. We can actually replace this one to our desired navigation app. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this up and I will be choosing Google Maps. Okay, so when I tap on this widget, it will launch the Google Maps. If you guys don't like Google Maps, and I think some of you guys like Waze, you can use that as well, or any other navigation maps. Okay, so to change the Google Maps to Waze, Just tap the settings and it will go into this menu. Tap the car, then tap navigation, then tap navigation application options. One more useful function on this device is to turn on the assistive touch. Just go to the display settings and right here it says touch assistive, then turn that on. This option will give you easy access to home button, back button, recent window, settings, and many more. If you want to close an application, just swipe the window to the left, and that will close the app. One more good thing about this device is that it has built-in Netflix application. Because as we all know that this application is not available on Google Play Store for Android head unit devices, especially on CarPlay. Okay, so let's try to play a movie real quick.
The are headed for a boat up here at the docks on a speeding train, and we're down here with horses.
This is a very nice application, especially for kids when you're having a long trip. The quality of the video is very nice and crisp, and the sound quality as well. I just turned off the sound to avoid copyright. Okay, so let's go back to the home screen. This device has a built-in YouTube app as well. So as you can see here, this is my channel. Nowadays, you can watch almost everything on YouTube. Basketball highlights, music soundtracks, DIY projects, and many more. You can also search everything on Google using the built-in Chrome browser. The Picasso 2 device is actually converts your in-car infotainment system into a tablet, giving you more options and make your driving experience to the next level. Speaking of tablet, this will allow you to download tons of applications on Google Play Store, allowing you to maximize its capabilities. If you want to go back into your original infotainment screen, just tap this icon and it will go back to your original home screen. Tapping the Apple CarPlay again will launch the Picasso 2 interface. One more thing I like here is that you can use Google Assistant by just pressing the voice command button on my steering wheel. Okay, let me just tap the voice command button. So as you can see in my screen, it activates the voice assistant. Okay, so let's try one more time by asking a question. What's the weather like today?
It's 25 and cloudy. Today it'll be cloudy with a high of 25 and a low of 13.
Hey Google, what's the weather like today?
It's 25 and cloudy. Today it'll be cloudy with a high of 25 and a low of 13.
So that's really amazing, guys. So the Picasso 2 is compatible with steering wheel controls. You can turn the volume up and down. Okay, so let's try playing music on Spotify. So I'm gonna try to press the skip button. I have a Bose sound system and the quality of the sound doesn't change. There's no distortion or anything like that. So this device doesn't affect the quality of your car's sound system. Okay, now let's connect my iPhone to Apple CarPlay wirelessly. Okay, so all we need to do is press this multiplay application and let's turn on the Bluetooth on our phone. Okay, now let's just tap the Picasso to pair. Then tap Use CarPlay. Then there you go, guys. The Apple CarPlay is connected wirelessly and no need to connect your cable. So here, you can see all your compatible apps. Okay, now let's try to connect my Android smartphone to Android Auto wirelessly. So same with iPhone, we just need to tap the multiplay application. Now let's turn on the Bluetooth on my smartphone. So let's wait while Picasso is being searched. Now let's tap on Picasso. Now let's tap pair. And now the Android Auto is starting to load. So there you go. The Android Auto is now loaded wirelessly into our infotainment system. So while testing this Picasso device, I downloaded some applications like Disney Plus, Car Web Guru, if it's gonna work properly. So I wasn't disappointed and it works perfectly fine. So I'm just gonna continue the movie that I watched to show you guys that it is working properly.
Get in the car! Get in!
I like the sound quality, it's not distorted, the video is very clear, and I must say, this is an awesome product. Okay, now let's open the Car Web Guru launcher. So it is working as well as you can see here on my screen. Oh, by the way, let's try to open my 360 camera. Okay, good. There's no issues at all. And it's still functioning well. Okay, now let's test the built-in GPS of the Picasso 2. This digital speedometer right here should work when I'm driving. And this one should turn green and showing now driving. Okay, so let's buckle up, guys. Okay, so as you can see here, the digital speedometer works and this one as well. One more thing I noticed here, that this device has ambient lighting. You can change or control the color of the light according to your liking or mood. I must say, this one is a cool feature because on this car, I have an ambient light as well, so I can match them. I'm gonna try this at night because it's too bright here. So I can show you guys how it looks during at night. So there you have it, guys. If you want to buy this product from AutoCast, which is the Picasso 2, please click the link in my description or in the comment section. Well, to be honest, guys, this is one of the best CarPlay adapter that I have tested so far. It's smooth, very nice interface, amazing product. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video.